So today I would like to introduce you to our newest listing located at 2907 Dillon Drive. This home is located in the North Sky development built by Pulte in 2018 on the northeast side of Ann Arbor. So this boardwalk floor plan features 2,746 square feet. It's got 5 full bedrooms, one being on the first floor. You've got 4 full baths. You have a finished view-out basement, a 2-car garage, and one of the best features is you back up to the wooded area, so you have a lot of privacy in your backyard. So let's come on in and take a look. As I walk into the home, I want you to pay attention to some of the details. Like we have the wainscoting here as we walk into the home. There's elegant trim work throughout. There's refined hardwood floors here. And I'm walking now into the living area, which is a very, very open space. We've got a fireplace over here to our right, and it's open to the kitchen and the breakfast nook. Now this heart of the home kitchen is a true chef's delight. You'll notice you've got a huge center island to work on with granite countertops. You've got a farmhouse sink. You've got 42-inch maple cabinets that are painted white, and you've got dovetail soft close doors and drawers. There's also, you'll notice, stainless steel appliances. You've got an exhaust system going to the exterior, and you've got a backsplash going all the way up to the ceiling. So here to my left, this is just a great idea. It's a small study area. And it's ideal if you've got young kids that have to do the homework. You can sort of keep an eye on them while you're working in the kitchen. I'm walking here through the dining area, and the dining area leads out here into the sunroom, which has French doors leading out onto the deck. So the primary suite is located on the second floor. You'll notice that there are tray ceilings. There's lots of light because we have windows here on 2 walls. And we've got an attached primary bath with ceramic floors, granite countertops, double sink, a shower, and a walk-in closet. The second floor also houses 3 additional bedrooms. If you notice, they have lots of light coming in through the windows. You've got a full bath, a convenient second floor laundry room with a sink and cabinetry, and you've got a large loft area for additional living space. The finished basement has 2 daylight windows which bring in a lot of outside natural light. It's got a great room for entertaining or for kids to hang out in, and you've got a full bath, and then over in front of me we've got a gym area. Located off of the sunroom is this beautiful deck. You've got a large entertaining space here. And we've also got stairs that go down to a brick paver patio. And again, looking out over to the woods, again, creating a lot of privacy. So thanks for taking the tour with me this afternoon. If you are interested in a private showing, please call my office at 734-761-3060. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay on top of our latest listings.